So if you have a Samsung device which has Galaxy AI, here are 15 Galaxy AI tips and tricks that will transform the way you use your devices with this ultimate Galaxy AI guide. From solving math problems, translating languages in real time to making your chat smarter. And 2 cool features that will change everything you know about smartphones, so let's check it out. First up is the Advanced Circle to search with Google. Now, in case you did not know, the reason why this is known as the advanced version because it's not just about image and text searches anymore. Because now you can even translate languages or solve math problems as well. So if you see an image on a website and want to learn more about it, just press and hold the virtual home button, then circle the image that you want to get more info about. And the same goes for text, where you just have to circle the text that you want to know more on, and snap, you got the details you need. Then if you come across a website in another language, just circle the word and hit translate and you're good to go. And if you need help solving a math equation, just circle the equation and Galaxy AI will solve it for you. Next up is Generative Edit. So this is perfect when you need a little magic to your photos. So let's say you want to make your pet a little bigger. Well, just open the photo in the Gallery app, select the Galaxy AI button and select your pet. For my case, it's my cat Luna. Next, touch and hold the selected area and then adjust the box to make it bigger according to your desired size. Click Generate and snap. Galaxy AI does its thing like a pro. And this also works if I want to remove an object in my photos. For example, if I want to remove this Berhenti sign in this photo, I can do the same by selecting it, hit erase and it's gone. But wait till you see the instant slow-mo that I'm going to show you later on. Now let's turn your selfies into works of art with Portrait Studio. Now this feature works on both existing photos and new selfies as well. Just open up your photo in the gallery, tap the Galaxy AI icon at the bottom, then look for Portrait Studio. And here's where the magic happens, as you have 4 options to turn your selfie into a comic, 3D cartoon, watercolor or a sketch. And you'll have options to choose from for each. But if you feel like you want some more, you can select the Generate Again option to generate a whole new set of portraits, and you can easily save them to your device. Now, if you ever wanted to capture the epic slow motion movements, well, with this instant slow-mo, you can do just that. So let's say you took a video of a bunch of sports cars racing on the Sepang racing track and you want to slow it down to make it more epic. Well, you won't believe how easy it is to do it. Just open a video in the Gallery app and wait for the right moment to slow down the clip and just press and hold the video, and just like magic, it will slow down the whole video. And once you're happy with how long you want the clip to slow down, there'll be an option towards the left to save the slow motion video, and snap, it's done. So this works with any videos that you have recorded on your phone, or even if you didn't record them as well. So now you can make every video epic. Now speaking of epic, coming soon I'll show you how to make your notes from meh to epic in no time, so stay tuned for that. By now I'm sure you've already heard of sketch to image, right? Where you can turn simple sketches into stunning images. Well, if not, let's try that. So let's say you want to see what a particular area of your home looks like with a ceiling light. Well, after taking a picture of that area, tap the Galaxy AI icon at the bottom and then select Sketch to Image. Sketch roughly on how you want the lamp to look and hit Generate. And snap! Galaxy AI transforms your simple lines into real-life images where there'll be 4 different options to choose from. So yeah, this means that you can be super creative and say bye-bye to your interior designer. Next, moving on to Flex Zoom, a feature that will help you to have high-quality selfies using the Galaxy Z Flip 6 rear cameras. And over here at the cover screen, it will magically zoom in and zoom out to frame you perfectly, and doing this is super simple. First, open the camera app through the cover screen by selecting the camera icon and sliding towards the middle of the screen. Now set your phone on the tripod stand mode on your table and make sure that you have the auto zoom active. And just like magic, if you move closer or further away from the camera, it will frame you perfectly. Plus, you can easily take pictures using the gesture command, so no more awkward selfies or half-cropped heads, or grabbing some random stranger or forcing your girlfriend or boyfriend to be your human tripod. Because now you can take all of these shots yourself. Now speaking of flexing, I will show you a feature called Smart Reply to do quick responses right on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Very super cool, so stay tuned for that. So the overlay translation feature helps you to understand foreign languages super easily. For example, let's say you went on a trip to Korea. Yep. and you came across a Korean restaurant where the menu is in Korean language, no worries because you can translate it very quickly by first taking a picture of the menu. Next, open the picture in the gallery and then you'll see a text icon towards the right. Select that and hit translate, and just like that, it will automatically translate super fast even without an internet connection. Super cool, right? So now you won't have any language barriers. So thanks to Galaxy AI, you can go ahead and travel with ease. Next, I'll show you the Note Assist features on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 on how you can turn your notes from meh to epic with translation, auto format, and summary. First up is translation. If you saw a website in another language, no problem, because you can just open the website on the Samsung browser, highlight the text and tap translate. And here's where you can watch Galaxy AI instantly switch to your preferred language. Next is auto format. So if you're tired of your messy notes, well, after typing them out in the Notes app and then hit the Galaxy AI icon at the bottom, and after selecting the auto format option, you'll have two options, either headers and bullets or meeting notes, and it is properly organized. Then you can do the same with summary, which is perfect when you're short in time. Next is the Note Assist, from easily creating sketches, transcribing, and even translating an entire PDF. So sketch to image is where, for example, if you're inspired to create a drawing like the KL Tower and want to draw something close to that, just sketch accordingly and hit the Galaxy AI icon and select sketch to image. Next, just trace around your drawing and then there'll be options to make it to watercolor, illustration, sketch, pop art, and 3D cartoon, and hit generate and snap. Phew, you can be an architect like this. Then Transcript Assist is perfect for transcribing voice recording into written text, where you just need to hit the plus button on the Notes app and then select voice recording, then record what you want to say and then tap the text icon and you're done. And you can even edit the text after it's generated too. Then PDF Overlay Translate helps you to translate an entire PDF document. So after loading the PDF files on the Files app, tap the Galaxy AI icon, choose Translate, and it's done. Next, let's break down language barriers with the chat translation feature in Chat Assist. Now this has to be one of the easiest to do. Firstly, this works with chat apps like WhatsApp. So if you're on a chat screen, just hit the Galaxy AI icon and then choose chat translation. Now here's where you have the option for languages and you can download the language packs accordingly over there. After that, the translation will appear just below the original message, making it super easy to have conversations with people with foreign language. Now what's extra sweet is that once again, these translations are done offline, so you don't need an internet connection. Now moving forward, if you want to improve your written word like a boss, you can use the Chat Assist writing style. So whether you're drafting an email, writing a caption, or even crafting a love letter, no judgment. So yes, this feature has your back. So start by typing out your text. For example, dating 8 PM KLCC Park in your chatting app like WhatsApp, and then hit the Galaxy AI icon and choose the writing style. Now here's where you have a total of 5 ways for a better writing style to choose from between professional, casual, #social, polite, and Emojify. So yeah, if you're too busy or just don't want to think too much before sending a text, caption, or email, this will come in super handy to make your writing polished and ready to impress. Now before I go into the last 4 more tips, if you're enjoying this video so far and find it helpful, a thumbs up would be very much appreciated, and a subscription would be extra lovely too, as we are on the road to 200,000 subscribers. So thank you very much in advance. Next, let's go into the Chat Assist Composer feature. Now what's lovely is that this feature allows you to compose messages by telling Galaxy AI what to say, so it's like having your own personal assistant. So for example, I want to write an email to my boss to request an off day because I ate too much mangosteens and my stomach is unwell. Just open your email app and then hit the Galaxy AI icon and choose Composer. Next, just type something like, write an email to my boss to request a day off because I have stomach issues after eating too much mangosteens. Next, there'll be an option to choose the type of messages that you want to compose between standard, email, social media, or comment. And you can even choose the 3 types of tones, which are professional, casual, and polite. Then hit generate and snap, is generated. Then you can either edit the generated text accordingly or just directly insert it in the email and is ready to be sent. Following that is the Chat Assist Smart Reply. Now this is extremely useful when receiving a message while the messages appear on the cover screen like on the Z Flip 6. And when you select the message, there'll be an option to suggest replies, so choose that. Then Galaxy AI will take the context of the message and smartly suggest replies accordingly, so you can choose the ones that you want to use and snap, you replied even without typing. Now this works with the usual chatting apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram and more, where it even works on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. And speaking of which, I did a video review on that, so do check it out if you guys haven't done so over here. So yeah, with this, there's no more excuses on replying to messages later. Now before moving forward, if you want a recap of everything mentioned in this video, there is a written version of this video at our website at www.adamlobo.tv, where there's even daily tech news too. Links to that will be down below. Next, let's break down language barriers even further with the interpreter feature with the dual screen and listening mode on the Z Flip 6, and this could be done also on the Z Fold 6 too. So if you're on a blind date with someone who can only understand French, well, no worries, because this will help you to have a conversation with them like a pro thanks to this interpreter mode. First, swipe from the notifications menu, swipe left at the menu, then choose interpreter. Next, choose the other person's language and your language. Fold the screen to make it sit on a table or on your hand. Then choose the cover screen option for the other person to see the language being translated on the cover screen and speak away. And the microphone will also trigger after each person is talking, but if you want to manually trigger to talk, you can select your mic indicator or the other person's mic indicator. And say you're visiting a Spanish museum and would like to have a direct translation of what the museum guide is saying. Go to the menu icon on the top left and switch to listening mode. And now, whatever the guide is saying, it will be translated according to your preferred language. And if you have the new Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, review on that over here as well, it will have the translation directly through there. Then finally is the Call Assist live translation feature. Now this is perfect if you're in another country and don't natively speak their language and you want to call a taxi. Now to select this live translate feature, first select the phone icon, next hit the three dotted icons at the top right and select settings. Next choose the live translate and select your language and the language of the other person. And you can select the type of voice and also adjust how fast or slow you want the translation speech to be. Then you can also choose to mute your voice or the other person's voice to only hear what the translation says, and snap, you're done. And now when you make a phone call, there'll be a call assist button, so tap that and then select live translate and you're all set. Now what's cool is that this also works the other way around, so if someone calls you and speaks in a foreign language, you can also use this live translate too. So that's it, 15 tips to use all of these Galaxy AI features in a snap. And do let me know which Galaxy AI feature that you love the most.